Good day, viewers. Welcome to our channel. If you are a student or a teacher, I hope this video will help you, especially if you're struggling to solve a math problem. So, our discussion for today is all about problem solving strategies. So, this is our objectives. At the end of the video, we will learn about the different strategies in problem solving. Also, how to apply problem solving strategies, and lastly, we can give examples related to problem solving strategies. So, ano nga ba ang problem solving strategies? Ito ay methods for analyzing a problem, developing a solution, and implementing it. They can help you overcome challenges in many areas of life, including work. So we have different strategies that will explain by different person, and each person will give an example with their assigned strategies. We will start with teacher Princess Nunez with her strategies by solving a problem by making a list.
Good day, everyone. Thank you for taking the time to join us today. In this slide, I will be discussing solving a problem by making a list. First of all, my name is Princess Nunez and ako po yung naka-assign sa solving a problem by making a list. So, ano nga ba ang solving a problem by making a list? Ano nga ba ang purpose nito at bakit pinag-aaralan natin? Making a list or a table is a way to organize data presented in a problem. This problem-solving strategy allows students to discover relationships and patterns among data. Making an organized list will lead you to work logically and systematically. Example number 1. Michelle has 2 dresses, a black one and a blue one. She has 4 cardigans, white, yellow, red, and pink. How many unique outfits combination can she create? Step 1. We need to find the number of different outfits Michelle can put together out of her 2 dress and 4 cardigan. So, si Michelle ay may 2 dresses, which is isang black at isang blue. Meron din siyang 4 na cardigans, which is white, yellow, red, and pink. Kada dress na pipiliin ni Michelle, pwede niyang i-pair sa isang kahit na anong color ang cardigan na meron siya. Step 2. Make an organized list to find the number of different outfits Michelle can put together. Para mas madali, natin makita magtala tayo ng lista ng mga possible combinations. Like this one, dress, we have black dress and white cardigans. We have black dress and yellow cardigan, black dress and red cardigan, black dress and pink cardigan, blue dress and white cardigan, blue dress and yellow cardigan, blue dress and red cardigan, and blue dress and pink cardigan. Dito sa table, makikita natin na may 4 na choices ng cardigan si Michelle para sa black dress at 4 choices din na cardigan para sa blue dress. So kung babalikan natin sa naunang slide, step 3, list the color of dress at the left that will correspond to the color of cardigan at the right to see how many pairs can be made. Ngayon, bilangin natin kung ilang combinations ang pwede niyang gawin. Sa black dress, we have 4, which is black dress, white cardigan, black dress and yellow cardigan, black dress and red cardigan, black dress and pink cardigan. So we have, sa black dress, may 4 options siya para sa cardigan, which is white, yellow, red, and pink. Sa blue dress naman is blue dress and white cardigan, blue dress and yellow cardigan, blue dress and red cardigan, blue dress and pink cardigan. Sa blue dress, may apat din siyang options para sa cardigan, which is white, yellow, red, and pink. Kaya ang total number ng unique outfits na pwede niyang gawin ay 8. 2 dresses times 4 cardigans equal 8 outfits. Sa madaling salita, si Michelle ay nakagawa ng 8 unique outfits. Upang mas maintindihan ng ating manonood, magbibigay pa ako ng 2 example. So here is the second example. Problem. Find the average of the following numbers: 12, 15, 10, 8, and 20. Step 1. Make a list from smallest to largest. Kailangan lang natin na ayusin yung mga numbers mula sa pinakamaliit hanggang sa pinakamalaki. For example, yung numbers na nasa problem is 12, 15, 10, 8, and 20. So, aayusin lang natin sila from smallest to largest. Like this one, we have, as the smallest, we have 8, 10, 12, 15, and 20. As 20 is the largest. Kaya, yung 8 is nasa pinakamataas kasi siya yung pinaka-smallest. And 20, yan yung pinaka-largest. Step 2. Add all the numbers together. I-add lang natin lahat ng mga numbers na nasa listahan, which is 8 plus 10, plus 12, plus 15, plus 20. So kapag pinas mo yung lahat, ang kakalabasan is 65. Step 3. Divide the sum by the numbers of values. I-divide lang natin yung total na nakuha nating sum, which is 65, sa kung ilang numbers meron ka. In this case, 5 yung numbers. So, 65 divided by 5 equals 13. So, the answer is, the average is 13.
Our next strategy will be explained by Teacher Lauren.
Let's proceed to solving problem by drawing a diagram. In this video, we're gonna take a look of an example of the problem-solving strategy, make a diagram. So here's our problem. Stephanie stood on the middle rung of a ladder. She climbed up 5 rungs, then moved down 2 rungs, and then climbed up 7 rungs. Then she climbed up the remaining 2 rungs to the top of the ladder. How many rungs are there in the whole ladder? So we want to start by making sure that we understand the problem. So here we know. Understanding the problem. Stephanie started in the middle of the ladder. She moved several times in different directions, and she ended at the top of the ladder. How many rungs the ladder has? We want to find out how many rungs the ladder has. So there's our problem. Devising a plan. Making a diagram would be helpful here. We may find that making a diagram of 4 movements and what that chooses might helpful here. So let's jump in to that strategy. So here we have diagram. We've got a rung A start, right in the middle. So the first thing Stephanie does is she climbed up 5. So from the middle, we've got now Stephanie up 5. After that, she moved down 2 rungs. So her next movement brought her down 2. From there, Stephanie climbed up 7 rungs. From there, she climbed up the top 2 more rungs to reach the very top of the ladder. So, we have our completed diagram here. So let's ask herself in questions, how many rungs based on our diagram are there from the middle to the top rung? We know that there are 12 rungs to get from the middle to the top. So now we want to know about how middle works. If there are 12 rungs from the middle to the top, how many rungs should there be from the middle to the bottom? Why? Middle implies the same amount of the top, the same amount of the bottom. So there are 12 rungs from the middle to the bottom. So how many rungs would that make in total? So there would be 12 on top, plus the middle rung itself, plus 12 on bottom to give us a total of 25 rungs.
Thank you, Teacher Lauren. So the next strategy will be explained by Teacher Deborah.
Hello everyone, I'm Angela Deborah and I will be the one who will be discussing this type of problem solving strategy by making a table. So this problem solving strategies allow students to discover relationships and patterns among data, and it encourages students to organize information logically and to look critically at the data to find patterns and develop a solutions. And one way to recognize it is to make a table. So for example, an apple tree farm is planted as shown at the right side. The dots in the illustration represent as a trees. The lot will be enlarged by adding a larger square. So how many trees will be in the sixth layer? So this is our example illustration. Just imagine na lang na ito yung farm natin, apple tree farm, and those dots, it represent as a trees, yung trees natin. So, to understand the problem, so parang makikita natin dun sa illustration sa right side, parang kung i-observe natin, para siyang mahirap sagutin, parang mahirap sagutin yung problem, no? So, ang gagawin natin is, magbibilang tayo. Bibilangin natin yung dots na nagre-represent as a trees. So, makikita natin sa first square na yan, we have 4 trees, 4 dots or considered as 4 trees, 12 naman sa pangalawa, and 20 trees in the third square. And find the number of trees to be planted in the sixth square. So, yun yung hinahanap nating problem. So, in this, you will see the relationship of the number of apple trees planted on each squares. So, find the pattern and solve the problem. So, makikita natin, given na yung 4, 12, and 28. So, parang may observe natin, sa kada bilang natin ng trees, parang nadadagdagan sila ng 8. 8. Makikita natin, sa pang-apat, meron ng 28. To check, okay, sa first layer, first square, meron na tayong 4 trees. Sa pangalawa naman, meron tayong 4, nagdagdag tayo ng 8, so magiging siyang 12 trees. Sa pangatlo naman, meron na we have na 12 trees plus 8 na trees ulit, so magiging siyang 20 trees. Sa pang-apat, 20. Madagdag ulit tayo ng 8. Magiging siyang 28 trees. 25. Nadagdag ulit tayo ng 8. Magiging siyang 36 trees. And sa 6th layer, meron na tayong 36. Magdadagdag ulit tayo ng 8. So, magiging 43 siya in total. Lahat. So, let's have another example. So, one is saving a money for a new shoes. In each week, he doubles the amount he saved in the previous week. If one saves at 20 pesos in the first week, how much will he save in just 5 weeks? So, to understand the problem, how much he will save in just 5 weeks if one doubles the amount every week. Make tables at ang weeks, nag-represent tayo ng 5 weeks, amount. Gaya nga nagsabi kanina, in first week, nagkaroon na siya ng ipon na 20. So, sabi doon, each week, nadodoble yung ipon niya kaysa doon sa previous na ipon niya dati. So, 20, nadoble ulit ng 20, magiging 40. So, kung 40 sa second week, dodoblehin nyo yan ng 40, magiging 80, magiging 160, and magiging 320 na siya in 5 weeks. So, ito natin 20. To check, ipa-plus lang natin lahat yun. So, para ma-identify natin kung ilan lahat yung naipon niya in just 5 weeks. No? So, 20 plus 40 plus 80 plus 60